Okay, so, okay, it's a 7, so that means if I build the Pascal's triangle, remember, the inners are created from the summation of the prior row. One, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6. Okay, so here we go. This is the row I want. 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. Okay, we're going to have 8 terms because if it has degree of 7, am I recording? Yeah. Then I'm going to have 7 terms. Okay, so I'll try and write small, I guess. I'm going to run out, you guys. All right, whatever. I barely have 8. Okay, 1, 7, 21. So 1, 7, 21, 35, 35, 21, 7, 1. Okay, so now I have to look at my ABs. Okay, if I'll put in the variables later, my A, for my A term, the value is that 1. And for the B term, it's a positive 2. Yeah? Okay, remember, any power, any exponent to a base of 1 is just 1, right? 1 to the 4th, what's 1 times 1 times 1 times 1? 1. What's 1 to the 7th? 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. It's just 1. Okay, so if you guys don't want to do the ones, I'm going to write it, but I would just skip it out completely because the base 1 to any exponent is just a 1, right? So it could be a lot less writing.
Thank you. Yeah, okay. I'm recording right now. Yeah.
Hold on. What's today? The 14th? Okay, so here we go. Sorry, guys. Okay, so the first term starts at the 7 and works down to the 0. So that means it's going to be 1 to the 7, 1 to the 6, 1 to the 5, 1 to the 4, 1 to the 3, 1 to the 2, 1 to the 1, 1 to the 0. But you guys should all know that's just 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, right? So, I mean, you don't have to write it. I would have skipped it, but... Okay, so now what happens with the B term? The B term starts at 0 and moves up to 7. That's it. So, if it's 2, and if you want to write the 2, I would have skipped it, but 2 to the 0, it's just 1, right? 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5, 2, 6, to 7. Now, I didn't use parentheses like I did in my prior examples, and that's because see how the A and the B term, see how they're both positive? I didn't use parentheses. Usually I'll use parentheses if there's a negative, just to kind of remind me, like, but obviously if that has an odd power, it's negative. If that has an even power, it's positive. So it's just kind of like those little number details that helps out with the work. So this is faster than doing it by hand. Right now I'm being really extra, but I would have skipped a lot. Okay, now you just clean it up. So this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. So my first term is 1, right? This is 1, so this is 7, and this is 2, so I have a 14, a positive. All the terms are going to be positive. Keep going? Yeah. Okay, 21, 1 to the 5 is 1, 2 squared is 4, and so 21 times 4 is 84. I'm going to need a calculator now. And then, I have 35. This is 1. 2 to the third is 8. So what's 35 times 8? 35 times 8. 280? Okay, 35. 1 to the third is 1. 2 to the fourth is 16, right? 2 times 2 times 2. 16? And then what's 16 times 35? 560? 21, 1 squared 1. 2 to the 5, 32. Yeah, 2 to the fifth is 32. And then 21 times 32 is 672. Keep going. Okay, 7. Obviously, you guys can see it's times 2. What's 2 times 2? 4. What's 4 times 2? 8. What's 8 times 2? 16. What's 16 times 2? 32. This is going to be 64 because what's 2 to the 6? So it's all a bunch of patterns. And so what's 7 times 64? Times 7. 448. I'm so running out of space. And then 2 to the 7, 128. 128. Yeah, what do I do? I'll drop it. 128. Okay, so now you have your, bless you, your variables. So the same, just like we did with the powers or the exponents, with the rise and the falling, now you do it with the variables. So the A term has an M. So same thing, it's going to start at M7 and it's going to work its way down to M0, but we don't write M0, you just leave it off, right? So this would be M7, M6, M5, M4, M3. I feel like I'm talking about BMWs. M squared, and M. Right there, M series.
Yeah.
And then what do they have? M3, M5, M7, right? I think they're the odd numbers, like that. Okay, so now your ends, you're gonna start at 0 and move up to 7, but I don't care about the N0, N1, N2, N3, N4, N5, N6, N7. That's an N, it looks really boxy. And so each term cannot surpass 7. If the degree is 7, notice this is 7. What's 6 and 1? 7. What's 5 and 2? 7. What's 4 and 3? 7. 3 and 4, right? 7. 2 and 5, 7. 1 and 6, 7. 7. So you know you did it right if you add up the two exponents, or if there were 3 variables, whatever. They have to add up to 7. And that's how you know it's a degree 7. You did it right. And that's it. It's so much faster than foiling it out. But some of you guys are fast. All right, that's your answer. Why? They sold out?
Yeah. Well, no, they didn't sell out, but I went and I placed my order and I was and then my husband was like, "These are red cups," and I haven't heard so long.
Oh, so did you get it or no?
They're like, "Oh, like here's your red cups," and I'm like, "Oh, great."
Oh, you're like whatever. I'm like, yeah, give it to me. Bye, Jordan. That's right. It's the red cup drop at Starbucks today. Anybody get one? Your mom? No? Yeah, I didn't either. I'll go later. Okay,